Ever feel overwhelmed by a massive spreadsheet? All those rows and columns can make your head spin, right?
Imagine instantly pinpointing your top performing products or biggest sales wins. It's like having a magic wand for your data. Pivot tables can do this, but only if you know the secret: sorting by value. This simple trick can transform your data analysis. Hi everyone, I'm going to show you exactly how to sort pivot tables by value in Excel. Let's dive in and make your data work for you. First, let's talk about what a pivot table is and why sorting it matters. Understanding this will give you a solid foundation. Pivot tables summarize large data sets, making it easy to spot trends and top performers. They condense your data into digestible insights. Sorting these tables makes your data even clearer and more actionable. It highlights the most important information at a glance.
Let's assume we have a sales data set that includes product names, sales representatives, and sales revenue. Our goal is to create a pivot table and sort the sales revenue in ascending order. Step 1. Create the pivot table. Select the dataset you want to analyze. Click on the Insert tab, choose Pivot Table, and select where you want the pivot table to be placed. We'll select New Worksheet. And to keep our file clean, let's rename the new sheet as Pivot Table. Click OK to create the pivot table. Next, we'll add fields to the pivot table. Drag the product name field to the rows area, drag the sales revenue field to the values area. The pivot table will now display a summary of sales revenue for each product. Now we can sort the pivot table by value. Click the row labels drop-down and select the More Sort options. In the Sort dialog box, select the sorting you prefer. We'll select Ascending A to Z, then we'll select Sales Revenue as the field we wish to sort. Then, click OK. The pivot table will now be sorted by the selected value column.
And there you have it. You've mastered sorting pivot tables by value. Sorting pivot tables by value in Excel is a game changer for analyzing your data. It makes your insights more actionable. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. Leave a comment with any questions or data sets you'd like help with, and check out my other Excel tutorials. Your feedback helps me create better content. Thanks for watching, and happy excelling!